Hello and welcome with another quick video. Today I'm just going to share you one new project that is currently going to listed on many exchanges, and we can see this is going to be listed on around 5 exchanges in one day. And I was just checking, the project have very good utilities. I mean, these guys are just paying tip for the for sharing their content. What you need to do, just simply go to tipcoin the tipcoin.io, and simply you have to sign in your Twitter account or the X account, and you just need to either you need to share this post, and you need to retweet. Like this will redirect you, and you have to follow, and you have to reshare. I mean, this is just a very simple thing. Everyone can do this thing. So this is a good reward website, and they have explained how this is working. Earning point is simple. Just use Twitter reply code or the tweet out to mention $tip or tip hashtag tip. You will be automatically awarded points. Depending on the type of the tip, your multiple multiplier will change as follow. Original tweet have around 30, and the tip code is 10x point and the multiplier. I mean, they are just paying tokens on different activities on Twitter. So this is a good thing. This is a good thing for the community. Further, I was just checking. The price of the coin is at the moment a little bit down. Why this is down? Because they are awarding a lot of airdrop, and people are just getting free money because just sharing the content. That's why people are selling. People are not understanding what will be happen actually, and people are not understanding the utility of the project, and they are just selling in this cheap and peanut price, and that's why people cannot make some good profits for the future. And I believe the price of the coin is the all-time low was around triple zero 445, and at the moment price is 5097, and the total supply of the coin is 10 billion, and the market cap is 5 million, and all the things are very good, and this is a very good indicator, and people can make good money. It's a good utility project, but we have to check how much percentage of the token they are going to pay as a reward, and how much token they will burn in the future. And of course, with the halving, the price reward will be definitely lower down, and in this way, the people will make some good profit. So at the moment, people are not investing so much, as today the graph is not much motivational because the people are selling. So if they hold this token, they can make good money in the future. So this was the kind I just found, and I decided to share with you a good opportunity for making money. And I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.